Good morning. My name is Jeremiah Manaya. This is my Tableau assignment. My UID is U4284-1372, and this is for the course GEB 4890 for the course Strategic Management and Decision Making. So after I pulled up the assignment, I did sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and the dashboard. So after doing this assignment, I did take a quick look at the dashboard and I compared a few things that I wanted to bring up to your attention. So first we have here is the top four. Mainly I'm going to focus on American Airlines, which has the highest TC measure out of all the airlines in this data. So once I click it, we can see in sheet 3 it is doing well compared to the TC measure and the TC measure 1. More importantly, I want to focus on sheet 2. From the years 2016 to 2019, it had a 5,000, close to 5,600 increase. And I'm going to relay a few reasons as to this why later in this video. However, now I want to focus on also another well-known airline, however, compared to the TC measures far below, Spirit Airlines. So Spirit Airlines, again in sheet 3, TC measure and TC measure 1, it is doing fairly well. Moving over to sheet 2, this one, instead of a 5,600 increase from 2016 to 2019, it has roughly around a 1,500 increase from 2016 to 2019. And then I want to look at the average. So the average TC measure is 69,200. Again, the average for sheet 3, and then the average from 2016 to 2019 increase roughly around 2,800. So compared to American Airlines and Delta, as you can see above the average, Southwest, United, Delta, and American Airlines are all household names, common airlines that individuals fly throughout this country and sometimes out of this country. Now, although Spirit Airlines is a well-known company, however, it is under the average, such as JetBlue. Other airlines under the average: Alaska, SkyWest, Hawaiian, and Allegiant. These airlines only fly throughout certain regions of the country: Alaska Air in Alaska, and so on and so forth with Hawaiian, SkyWest, and Allegiant. My reason being why they are under is because they are restricted to those small regions throughout the country, compared to the top four being able to fly from New York to California to Atlanta to Chicago to Houston, Texas. They are throughout the country. They can fly anywhere. So that's my reason being of why it is being higher. Now, more importantly, to JetBlue and Spirit Airlines, these are airlines that do fly throughout the country and is not restricted into one region. However, they are still below the average. My reason being, as you can see here, the increase from 2016 to 2019 for JetBlue is roughly around that 1,400, 2,000 range. And then again, Spirit Airlines roughly around that 1,500. Not compared to American Airlines, which is 5,600. Now that is a big jump. There could be a few reasons for this. However, one reason I believe it is like this is because JetBlue and airlines, although they are household names, those prices typically tend to be higher and Spirit Airlines can only have so many outgoing and inbound flights throughout specific airports, compared to American, Delta, United, and Southwest. They have flights going in and out of every airport daily. So that is the information I gathered here. I just wanted to relay what I saw and what popped out to me throughout this Tableau assignment. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye.